Good morning all of you. Hope all are fine. Today we start our second chapter, Excel formulas and functions. Formula is a sequence of values, cell references, functions and operators in a cell that produces a new value from the previous value. It is always start with an equal to sign and contain mathematical operations. Let's know about some operators used in formulas. Arithmetic operators. Plus sign, it is used to add numbers. Minus sign, it is used to subtract numbers. Multiplication sign, it is used to multiply numbers. Division sign, it is used to divide number. And last, percentage sign, it is used to calculate percentage. Enter a formula. Follow the given steps to create a formula. Step first, open the worksheet. Step 2, click on the cell where you want to enter the formula. Step 3, type equal sign in the cell to start with the formula. Step 4, enter the first value. Step 5, type an operators after the number. Step 6, enter second value. Repeat step 5 and 6 to enter next operator and values. And last, press enter key. Now do some practical. First, open the worksheet on which you want to apply a formula. That is already open. Click on the cell where you want to enter the formula. Type equal sign in the cell. Click the first cell or insert the first value. Type an operator after the number. Enter second value. Type an operator. Enter third value. And last, press enter key. The answer will appear in the cell and the formula will appear in the formula bar. Edit a formula. If you are getting the wrong answer in the cell after applying the formula, then you can edit the formula to make it right. Follow the given steps to edit the formula. First, open the worksheet that contains a formula. Double-click on the cell containing the formula. Click at the point where you want to edit the formula. Enter the correct data from the keyboard and last press the enter key. Open the worksheet that contains a formula that is already open. Double-click on the cell containing the formula. The value will disappear and formula will appear in the cell. Click at the point where you want to edit the formula. Enter the correct data from the keyboard. Press enter key. Now the new result will appear in the cell. Functions. Function is a built-in formula that can be directly used on the data to perform calculations. Functions are used in the place of formulas. Types of functions. Mathematical functions, text functions, financial functions, logical functions, date and time functions.